Yo guys, welcome to another quick video of a winning product breakdown. If this is your first time being into one of these videos, you are now about to see me quickly break down a product and give you a few things. Number one being, of course, the product. Why I like it, why I think it's good, or maybe perhaps why I don't like it. So stay tuned for that. Number two, I'm going to show you some competitors and I'm going to link all of that below. Number three, we're going to go through some ad videos, some pictures, etc. on Facebook to see what some of these competitors are doing. And then number four, I'm kind of going to quickly disclose over the entire video how I would personally go about this and test this in 2021. Here we go. Alright guys, so if for some reason you missed the thumbnail, product is these giant blankets that have been found it's been on AliExpress and Alibaba for years. Essentially, if we just open up the first vendor I see here in AliExpress, they offer this in multiple colors. There's a video of some kid and people wearing it. You know, it's very self-explanatory, so it's one of the first reasons why I like this product. We're just going to get that out of the way right away. The reasons that I like this product, no doubt, are number one, the mass appeal. Anyone that owns a home and perhaps lives in a place where it can get cold during the wintertime, which is most places, they're going to be cold in their home and they want something more than a hoodie, but maybe something less than a blanket or even something more than a blanket. So this is where this comes into handy. I rarely base these off of how much orders they have on AliExpress, but this one vendor happens to have 3,600 orders and a ton of good reviews, 4.8 stars. Hopefully they're not fake. And as you can see on Amazon, the Amazon Choice has the Amazon Choice product has 43,000 5-star reviews, so it'd be pretty hard to compete with this seller on Amazon if you have any common sense there. But clearly this thing is good quality if you find the right vendor. It has that mass appeal. Number two is the margins. If we're jumping back to AliExpress quickly, you can see that this thing costs somewhere between $22 to $7. Okay, so this never mind. Right now, during COVID, if you were to pay $16 for AliExpress standard shipping plus the $22, that comes out to like $38 US, which is a little steep. You can probably find it cheaper on places like CJ Dropshipping. Do your own DD there. Let's just say, for example, for purposes of this video, to keep it fast, that this thing costs $30. Based on this seller on Amazon, you're not making too much margin. Based on this first competitor right here called thecomfy.com, you're barely making any margin either. But then again, this is the first vendor that I've found, so I'm probably highballing this big time. It probably costs a lot less. Like if we actually find the one that they're selling, which I think is this one, give or take, this one is going to cost you around $20 as well, $25, and I can see you selling this for maybe $50 to $60 depending on the quality and the size of your product. So good margins, mass appeal, and it's just unique. You don't see this every single day in your local Walmart, or maybe you do, but it's COVID. Let's look at some more competitors and some ads before me giving a little bit more of my advice. We can see that some of their ads are just very basic. That this doesn't seem like too much like a top of funnel kind of ad for me. It's a no-brainer why the Comfy Original from Shark Tank has over 42K plus 5-star reviews. Try it for yourself and see why it has a cult-like following. So I guess that they were on Shark Tank, woohoo, that's so cool. It really isn't that cool in my opinion. But then again, that's tons of social proof that they're probably using for some kind of remarketing, perhaps like a middle funnel kind of re-engagement audience. Then there's other ones here, same kind of copy, but now here's a video. Wow, so it looks like that they're really pushing this whole Shark Tank angle, or at least recently. I guess maybe they recently got funded by one of the sharks. You got some old people in there. There's some same copy. They're really pushing Shark Tank, but you get the gist of it. This is not one of those products where you make a video and explain XYZ feature and this and that. It's more of a quick, cool, like self-explanatory video. Like people know what it does. You wear it, you get warm. That's kind of the whole gist of the product. And so the tip for me there on ads would be, if you were to run this, keep the ads simple and creative. Perhaps even film some of them off of your phone. Keep it super native to the platform. So if you're on TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, super native, super fun. Don't make it over-explanatory. Like everyone understands this product. Not the exact same product, but I found a Kickstarter link for this product right here where it's a humongous ass blanket. They raised 100K since 2019. Pretty cool. Just some more insight for you there. Again, all linked below. Next competitor is on Shopify. They're called Hoodie Blankets. A little bit less of the professional brand compared to the other one. World's #1 best-selling comfy blanket. I don't know about that, but basically you can see same thing. They're kind of going above and beyond explaining it. I don't think I would do that. I would kind of keep it a lot quicker and shorter. I wouldn't really, like, my ads would be super native, super fun. My landing pages would be super self-explanatory and super quick. I want the highest add to cart ratio possible so that they fall into my retargeting campaigns, my Klaviyo lists, etc. And so having a super long description is just not the best option these days unless you're selling something that requires a lot of explanation. For example, you're selling in the pharmaceutical kind of industry, supplements, etc. So that's competitor number 2. I couldn't find their Facebook page. And number 3 is more of that drop shipping store that most of you are probably running, cataloniastore.com. Again, it's a little bit long, not too bad, some crappy reviews. Obviously, this isn't like the most appealing site. Bottom line, 3 competitors, ad libraries, and the AliExpress links are linked below, and that Kickstarter link. I'm going to try to remember to link it all below. And if I were to test this thing, which I probably would if I was still dropshipping and not running real brands, would be, number 1, invest in some UGC. So use a company like Billo, for example, to get some cool videos of people wearing this, filming it off their phones. Use that on TikTok ads, Snap ads, Facebook ads, etc. Do not over-explain this thing. Keep the ads fun and cool. Landing pages short and sweet and straight to the point. And this can be an easy, not $1 million company a month right off the bat, but it can slowly become to be a great brand if you make it a little bit of a better product and a little bit of a better business than these current people that are out there. I think it's totally possible. So there's my 2 cents. If you guys did find value in this video, I always forget to ask during the video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.